Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in CrowdStrike Holdings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Before investing in CrowdStrike Holdings, it's essential to understand what the company does. CrowdStrike is a cybersecurity company that specializes in protecting endpoints and cloud workloads. Begin by doing thorough research on the company's business model and financial performance. Visit CrowdStrike's official website to gather information on their products and services. Look for investor presentations and financial statements, such as quarterly earnings reports and annual filings. Next, familiarize yourself with key financial metrics, including revenue growth, profitability, and debt levels. Consider reading analysis from reputable financial news sources and industry experts for insights on CrowdStrike. Once you feel informed, choose a brokerage platform that suits your trading needs. Popular options include Robinhood, E-Trade, and Fidelity, among others. Create an account with your chosen brokerage, providing necessary identification and financial information. Deposit funds into your brokerage account to make your investment. After funding your account, use the platform's search feature to find CrowdStrike Holdings by its ticker symbol, CRWD. Review the stock's current price and recent performance trends. You can analyze its charts and explore various research tools offered by the brokerage. Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your investment strategy and budget. Choose the type of order you want to place. A market order will buy shares at the current price, while a limit order allows you to specify a price. Place your order and confirm to complete your purchase of CrowdStrike shares. After investing, monitor your investment periodically. Keep an eye on company news, earnings reports, and any major market changes that may affect your investment. Consider setting up alerts through your brokerage for important updates related to CrowdStrike. Remember, investing requires patience and a long-term perspective, especially in dynamic sectors like technology and cybersecurity. Stay informed and regularly review your investment strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.